Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be washing the Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be using products from Infinity Wax, mostly from the starter bucket. We've got the Infinity Wax wash mitt. We're going to be using some citrus pre-wash. We're going to be using pure shampoo. We're also going to be using some of the Powerfoam. This doesn't come in the starter bucket, but I had some, so we're going to use that. We're then going to use, as a drying aid, we're going to use some rapid detailer. For the wheels, we have some of the Infinity Wax wheel shampoo. For the glass, we've got Spotless glass. We're going to seal that with some Diamond Vision. For the interior, we've got some Fresh Interior Antibacterial Wash. And to make the car smell nice, we have some Success air freshener. And to top it off, we're going to give it some SuperGloss Wax. So without further ado, let's go out there and clean the car. Gosh, bright out here. So for the wheels, we're going to be using some of the Infinity Wax wheel shampoo. It says on the bottle here, add 25 to 50 ml to your wash bucket. So this is a 20 litre bucket. So I'm going to put in 50 ml in here. I've also got an IK pump foamer. I'm going to put about 20 ml in here. So we give the wheels a bit of a pre-soak with this, and then use our solution in the bucket to further lubricate, so we get a nice safe wash. For brushes, I've got a Halford's car washing brush. This is quite good for doing the side of the tyres. It's reasonably stiff, but not too stiff. I've got a couple of small brushes. These came with the Auto Glim wheel cleaner. The Easy Go brush. This is great for getting into the wheel arches. And I've got a Turtle Wax microfibre wheel brush. So now that the wheels are clean, it's now time to move on to doing the door shuts. For this, I'm using a pre-made up solution of citrus pre-wash. This isn't Demon Shine in the bottle, this is actually the Infinity Wax citrus pre-wash. I have used Demon Shine, it's actually quite a good product, straight off out the shelf. I'm going to turn the pressure washer right off. I've got a small brush so I can agitate in the edges. One thing I was going to mention, when doing the door shuts, also a good opportunity to clear the car out of any rubbish, so that when you come to doing the interior later, it's much quicker. So for the pre-wash stage, we're going to be putting in 25 ml of the citrus into the IK pump sprayer. That'll make up a 1 litre solution. We're then going to use the Powerfoam, and we're going to put about 25 ml into our foam cannon. I'm going to use about 600 ml of water, 600 ml solution there. And then for the wash stage, we're going to use the pure shampoo, and this can be diluted down 1,000 to 1. So we're going to put in around about 10, 15, maybe 20 ml of product into the bucket here. now we've rinsed off the pre-wash and we've rinsed off the snow foam. Now we're going on to the contact wash. So I have the Infinity Wax shampoo. I have a collection of sponges in here. Primarily I'm going to try and use the Infinity Wax sponge that came with the starter bucket. Let's get cracking. So now when it comes to drying, I've got two products I'm going to test here. I've got the Rapid Detailer from Infinity Wax, and I've also got the drying towel from Microfibre. I've not used either of these before. It'll be interesting to see how we get on. This towel is huge. This smells really nice. I can tell you now, this is drinking up the water. It's a bit cumbersome though. Okay, so now we've cleaned the car, we've dried the car. I forgot to film it, but I've dried the door shuts as well. Now time to do the glass. So we've got the Spotless glass cleaner and another new item from Microfibre. It's the glass cleaning cloth. Let's get cracking. Oh, I don't know if it was the cloth or if it was the spray, but that was the easiest glass cleaning I've ever done. Now let's seal it. So we've got Diamond Vision. It says 5 to 10 sprays directly onto the glass, spread evenly, allow 5 minutes to cure, then wipe off. Let's give it a try. As it's quite warm in direct sunlight, I'm going to start buffing it off now. Not quite been 5 minutes. That came off easy enough. Now let's finish this off, waxing the other sides. I think I put it on a bit too thick. Oh, it looks good though. Top it off, we'll use some ceramic detailer. For the tyres I've got Infinity Wax Tyre Gel, Carscope tyre brush. Now that we've finished cleaning the outside of the car, we can move to the interior. For that we have Fresh from Infinity Wax. I've diluted this down to a 10:1 solution. So we're going to give it a spray around the doors, on the dash. I'm not going to do the screen, I'm always a bit wary of that. And yeah, we'll see how it comes up. There's some muddy marks in the back. We can have a look at those as well when we get to the back. But we'll start in the front and we'll see how we go. This spray is antibacterial. It does say on it is not for use on leather or suede, so I'm avoiding this part, even though there isn't any leather. This is fake leather. I'm alright using it on here, but I don't really want to use it on the suede if I can help it, just in case. As you can see, we have some muddy marks here. We'll give it a spray and we'll see if it comes off. The mats have been hoovered and put back in. The only thing left now is to spray the mats with some air freshener. This is Success. Well, that's the Tesla all cleaned using Infinity Wax products. I'll link everything in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and give it a comment. And if you like it, stick around. There should be some more videos coming soon. Thank you. Bye. It's hot in there.